In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your ringtone in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're at work or home, having a distinct ringtone can help you immediately recognize when your Microsoft Teams calls are coming through, setting it apart from other notifications or calls. If you're using the desktop version on either Windows or Mac, the process is quite straightforward, and I'm here to guide you through each step. First things first, you'll want to open up the Microsoft Teams application on your computer. Once you've done that, log in if you aren't already signed in. Keep in mind that you need to access your account to see all available options for personalization. Once you're in, take a look at the top right corner of the Microsoft Teams interface where you'll find your profile picture. Clicking on it will bring up a drop-down menu with several options that are directly related to your account and personal preferences. After you've opened this drop-down, navigate to the Settings option. Clicking on Settings is your ticket to customizing the way Microsoft Teams behaves and looks. It's a centralized hub for all settings. And today, we're focusing specifically on those related to calls. So next, direct your attention to the left-hand side menu and select Calls. This brings up a new set of options specifically tailored to enhance and manage your calling experience within the application. Now within the Calls section, you'll find an option labeled Ringtones. It's here where you can customize what sound you'll hear when someone calls you through Teams. There will be a drop-down menu. Clicking, this will give you a list of the different ringtones available. Take your time browsing through them as each serves a different tone or style, which can suit different preferences and environments. Once you've selected a ringtone that piques your interest, hit the play button to listen to a preview. This feature is incredibly useful as it lets you test out the ringtone in the application's context, ensuring it's the right fit for you. When you find a ringtone you like and decide to go with it, there's no need to worry about finding a save button. Microsoft Teams is designed for convenience, and it automatically saves your choice as soon as you close the settings window. With all these adjustments made, you're now ready to enjoy a personalized calling experience on Microsoft Teams. Remember, a distinct ringtone can make all the difference in staying organized and responsive during your busy day. That's it. You're all set. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped you personalize your team's experience a little bit more today.